Stunning Southside home in the Wildwood Hills / Viewmont neighborhood. Built by Slusher Homes in 2016, this home's floor plan offers flexibility. Dramatic entry and formal room west / wainscoting and ceiling detail. 9 vaulted ceilings on main, designer kitchen west / quartz countertops, engineered hardwood floors and all appliances stay. Mudroom west / built-ins of kitchen and dreamy pantry. Spacious primary suite west / a peak of Bellingham Bay. 3 bedrooms and laundry room up and another suite on the lower level. Family room with climbing wall and extra finished room. 95% high-efficiency furnace, tankless hot water and fully air-conditioned. Southside Schools, easy access to I-5, shopping, Aquatic Center, Lake Padden, neighborhood park west / play toy and trails. Hurry!